Welcome to our channel, your daily source for quality product insights. If you're on the hunt for the best computer speakers, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable information on a wide range of products. So, if you want to make informed choices and discover the top computer speakers out there, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our daily uploads. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Logitech Z407. The Logitech Z407 is a great all-round package, offering very good sound quality, decent connectivity options and a stylish, compact, design that will fit into almost any office, home or studio setup. The small speakers offer surprisingly big sound, while the subwoofer takes care of low-end bass. The results are an excellently balanced soundstage that is suitable for a wide range of uses, including listening to music or watching movies. It also comes with a wireless dial that can be used to set the volume and skip through tracks. While it can be a bit fiddly to learn, once you've got the hang of it, it makes controlling the Logitech Z407 easy and convenient. Best of all, the Logitech Z407 is relatively inexpensive as well. Number 2. KEF-LSX2. These high-end speakers are our pick as the best computer speakers for creatives who work with audio. While the price tag is pretty huge, the features on offer here are incredibly impressive. Not only is there a huge range of wired inputs, including USB-C, to hook your computer up with, but there's also a large range of wireless options as well. With internet connectivity, you can use these speakers with the likes of Spotify and Tidal as well. The sound quality is extremely impressive, with mids and highs being particularly powerful and detailed. Even low frequencies sound good on these speakers, and you can add a subwoofer to the system for even more powerful bass. Build quality and design is also impeccable, and while these won't be for everyone, musicians, video editors and music producers will likely find these an excellent investment. Number 3. Edifier MR4. For creatives looking for computer speakers to act as studio monitors for music creation and editing, but who may not be able to afford the KEF-LSX2 above, the Edifier MR4 are an excellent budget choice. These are a pair of speakers that sound absolutely fantastic, and with their neutral soundstage, they are ideal for creators who want to hear every nuance and detail in the song they're mixing or the podcast they're creating, for example. They come with a wide range of analog connections, allowing you to easily hook up a desktop computer or laptop, but there are no wireless options, so you can use Bluetooth to play music from your phone. There's no option for adding a subwoofer, either, which is a shame as the bass is a little on the light side with these speakers. However, their audio quality far outclasses many computer speakers at the same price range. Number 4. SteelSeries Arena 3. SteelSeries is another trusted name when it comes to computer peripherals, so it may be little surprise to find out that it makes some great computer speakers as well. The Arena 3 is the affordable entry in its Arena lineup. These compact speakers offer very good sound quality, offering a wide soundstage and impressive mid-range. They struggle a bit with providing truly punchy bass, but that's to be expected with compact speakers such as these. There are 2 analog inputs, allowing you to connect multiple devices, and you can switch between them with the press of a button. Using SteelSeries software, you can also fine-tune these little speakers to sound how you want them, giving them a versatility that other budget speakers lack. Conveniently reach all controls with a volume dial and multifunctional button for muting, headset toggling, and Bluetooth pairing. Tilt and adjustable stand for optimal listening. Enjoy wire-free, immersive audio with widely compatible Bluetooth for your phone and other devices. Number 5. Razer Leviathan V2 Pro. The Razer Leviathan V2 Pro is another great soundbar that's designed primarily to plug into your computer, rather than sitting beneath your TV. With 5 drivers in the soundbar itself, plus a powerful subwoofer, this setup can give you an immersive, room-filling sound that rivals physical 5.1 audio systems. One of its key features is head tracking AI, which intelligently responds to where your head is angled and adjusts the sound to ensure you get the best possible experience. As this is Razer, it's a gaming-orientated device, and that means you get customizable RGB lighting, which is a nice touch. Even if you're not a gamer, it can bring a bit of color to your setup, and you can always turn it off if you don't like it. Unlike the Creative SXFI carrier above, this soundbar doesn't support Dolby Atmos, but it has enough tricks up its sleeve, plus THX certification, to give you a great audio experience. Packed with technology that enables the webcam to adapt to the lighting condition for picture-perfect clarity in any environment.